Old Guy DIY video has to do with learning by doing. I have this 1986 Kubota L2550 that failed to start, and it was about 9 degrees at the time, so I suspected that my issue was gelled diesel fuel. So I went through everything to heat it up, removed the filter, made sure I had flow there. Then I found I had flow at the little transfer pump, but nothing coming out of the pump, so I suspected my pump was bad. So last night I went and picked up a 12-volt electric fuel pump, and I wired that in today, and I'll show you my temporary fix that will allow me to plow snow today, since we have 4 inches of snow for the forecast 14 to 20. But I just started the thing up and it's running, as you can hear. So I'll pull in here, and you can see down here the old transfer pump is over here. Can't see it very well, but this is a new electric pump that I put in, and for the sake of my test, just put a couple of wires here, and I ran it back, and I have access right here to the light. It's on a switch right here. So anyway, I was able to get the thing running for the first time. This is the first time it's running about a month because I didn't need it. And now I can hook it up and use it for snow. So I hope this video helps you. Have a good day.